Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I posted a couple of days ago, Windows 11 is finally going to be getting a modern dark properties dialog as displayed in the screen grab currently on my desktop. And as I mentioned in the video, which I'll leave linked if you want more information, basically it's a modern version of the properties UI that has recently been spotted as a hidden feature in a experimental build in the Insider program. Check the video out for more information. Now, my reason for mentioning it is because it was rebuilt from scratch using WinUI. So it's not just cosmetically changed, the actual foundation has been rebuilt as mentioned with and using WinUI. And a quick recap, WinUI is Microsoft's native UI framework, which is meant to replace older technologies like Win32 and UWP with something modern, GPU accelerated and consistent with fluent design, as we can see in the new properties menu. Now, in regards to this, Microsoft has basically confirmed now, which we'll take a look at, that more of Windows 11 is going to switch to WinUI. And this is because over on X, regarding the new file properties dialog, a user asked March Rogers, who's Microsoft's partner director of design, who we have talked about previously on the channel. He was asked whether the redesign was a real rebuild or just a theme change over the old code. And his reply was this, if we head over to X. March says, "Hi, the file properties dialog was rebuilt in WinUI 3. We do have a few places where we implemented dark mode support in the legacy UI as a low-risk quick fix, but our plan is to bring more of the Windows UI to WinUI 3. That's according to March Rogers, Microsoft's partner director of design. So that's an interesting statement. So Microsoft's plan to bring more of the Windows UI to WinUI 3 basically holds up when you look at Microsoft's work across several dialogues and system components so far this year. So with all this said, the properties dialog, as we featured in that previous video, is a full WinUI rebuild, not a theme. And according to March, Microsoft is going to keep replacing legacy Windows 11 dialogues the same way, bringing more WinUI into the OS and the operating system. And obviously, as I get the info, I'll keep you guys posted, because this is part of Microsoft's K2 effort, its initiative to try and address pain points in the Windows operating system throughout the course of this year. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.